on the graph. So we're starting here with a market graph or an industry graph in equilibrium. We have an upward sloping curve that we want to start by labeling S1, and a downward sloping curve that is our demand curve, and we'll start by labeling that D1. Where the supply 1 and the demand 1 curves meet is equilibrium. We mark a dot there, and we pull across a dotted line over to the price axis where a number would be that would indicate the price. We'll label that spot P1. We'll drop another anchor line down from that point to the quantity axis where there would be a number, and that would represent the quantity at the equilibrium, and we'll label that Q1. Whenever there's an increase on a market graph, the increase is always drawn to the right. Since we're increasing the demand curve, we'll draw a second parallel line to the original demand curve, and we'll label it at the bottom right side D2 to show that this is our new demand curve. This will make a new equilibrium where D2 crosses with S1. We'll pull across a new dotted line from the new equilibrium over to the price axis, and that number would represent our new price, and we'll label that P2. We drop a line down to the quantity axis where we define our new quantity, and we'll label that Q2. And as you can see, whenever there's an increase in demand, we draw a new parallel curve to the original demand curve and label it D2. This will cause the price in the market to rise for this item and the quantity in the market to rise as well.